In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Phantom wallet to your Bullx account. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you have already made a Bullx account. And if you guys haven't made an account, you guys could use my link in the description down below or in the pinned comment. And from there, you guys could actually go ahead and skip the wait list. But anyways, guys, once you made an account, all you want to do is you want to go to the left menu. Then you want to scroll down until you see this option that says Wallet Manager. Once you're over here, you want to go ahead and press on this button that says Add Wallet. So let's go ahead and press on that. And then go ahead and select on the wallet type. So Phantom Wallet will work on Solana. So let's go ahead and press on Solana. And from here, enter in the wallet name and the wallet address. So you guys can find this on the mobile app, or you can go ahead and find it on the desktop version as well. All right, so I do have the Phantom wallet already installed on my device, but you guys could also do it on the mobile app. The UI is very similar. So all you want to do is you want to press on this button that says receive, and then you want to go ahead and select on this right over here, Solana, press on copy, and then enter it over here where it says enter in wallet address, and then go ahead and just give it a name. And once you're done with that, go ahead and press on the add wallet button just like so. And there you go, guys. You have now linked Phantom wallet to Bullx. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.